Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, I finally got farm truck back together as you've seen in the previous picture video that I made. Steering wheel, all the lights work, but what I was trying to fix. I'm not exactly sure as to why I put a test light on. I ground it, put in one of the terminals on the switch. Without the pedal pushed, no light. Before I had a light. But when I press the pedal, the light comes on there, but not at the tail lights where I need them. Please, guys, leave a comment. What did I miss and what should I look for? The only thing I can see what I might have to do, which is, I don't know. I don't even have a book on this truck. I don't know what the wiring diagram is. So please leave a comment and we can go from there. I'm going to take you out to the truck. I had to charge up the battery to get it to start. Let me show you. Turn the headlights on. These are LED bulbs. Now, one thing I might consider, light bulbs. You may have to check this. But here's the kicker. The turn signal and the brake light is on the same circuit. So why does it do this, but when I press the brake pedal, it don't do nothing? It doesn't make any sense. They should work, but they don't. So that's going to be it for this video. You have a good one. I still can't drive it down the road. Shame. And only you and some of the people I talked about what I've done all week knows. And yet, I can't go anywhere. You have a nice day. Thank you.